OpenAI has just launched its new video model called Sora 2. The output from this model is amazing.
Basket touchdown!
Whoa, oops. Oh, thanks, Bunny.
Gotcha!
Cups coming in hot.
Lemonade ready!
And sandwiches.
A 10-second video with perfect motion, style, effects, and voiceover. With just a single text prompt, you can generate something incredible. Character consistency is preserved throughout the scenes. To access this tool, you need an invite code. But don't worry, I will share a complete step-by-step process to get access without spending a single penny. I will also post the codes in the comments of this video so you can get instant access. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Sora 2 by OpenAI is giving Veo 3 some real competition in full scene generation, movement, effects, and voices. All look excellent. Everything works from a simple text prompt, and your video can be ready in no time. To access the tool, click the first link in the description and head over to this page. Ensure your location is set to the USA, either by being physically present or using a VPN. Click the Invite Code button. Open a new tab and go to the OpenAI Discord server page. You can directly click the link given in the description. Accept the invite, and you will be taken to the dashboard. You will be asked to verify. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your OpenAI account. Once verification is complete, you will see options on the left side. Just click the Sora channel. Scroll down to the bottom. There you will find fresh invite codes. Right now, this coupon code is working for most people. You can use it or copy the latest code. Paste your code here. And boom! You have got Sora 2. The nice thing is, you can invite more people by sharing your code. Here are some generations from other creators. Let's start with a simple text prompt. A clumsy penguin slipping on ice in a funny, exaggerated way. Bold outlines, flat colors, fast slapstick animation, comedic timing emphasized. Change the aspect ratio to landscape and click the Generate button. Wait a couple of minutes. Here is the result based on our simple prompt. That looks crazy. Perfect animation with background sound and sound effects. Now let's try a more detailed prompt. And here we have the output.
Guess he's earned.
Despite some minor motion issues, the overall generation quality is impressive. Here are a couple more animation results made with this tool.
Pika!
Pika pika!
Choo!
Pika! Pika! Steady, steady! Sandwich tower still standing! Oh, oops! I'm okay!
These generations are amazing. Let's upload an image. Paste the prompt text and click Generate. Look at the final output. That looks incredible. I have generated some realistic and cinematic shots with this tool.
Gotcha. Oh, you little menace. Still in one piece.
Hear that?
Yeah. Hold on.
Something's in the brush.
Stay close. Oh, you see that?
It's a temple. It's real.
You can clearly see how character consistency is preserved throughout each scene. Camera movement is precisely synchronized with the background sounds and effects. So, this tool is a great addition to AI video generation. Will it beat Veo 3? In an upcoming video, I will do a full comparison and show which one comes out on top. What do you think about this upgrade from OpenAI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.